Have you ever wondered if it's possible to own the sun? That blazing, life-giving star at the heart of our solar system? It sounds absurd. Yet the question itself reveals fascinating loopholes and mysteries within cosmic law and human ambition. In a world where people have bought stars, lunar plots, even names on asteroids through novelty certificates, could someone actually claim ownership over the sun? The answer isn't as simple as you'd expect, and it leads to intriguing consequences for space law, future colonization, and the management of extraterrestrial resources. Legally speaking, the 1967 United Nations Outer Space Treaty states that no nation can claim sovereignty over celestial bodies, including the moon, planets, or the sun. But here's where it gets interesting. The treaty focuses on nations, not individuals. In 2010, a Spanish woman named Angeles made headlines by officially registering herself as the legal owner of the sun with a notary public in Spain. She claimed that since no law forbade individual ownership and no one had previously claimed it, she had the right to it. Although widely dismissed as a publicity stunt, S. claim exposed gray areas in international space law, which was never designed to deal with private ownership of celestial bodies. Scientifically, owning the sun is an entirely different challenge. The sun is a massive, volatile ball of plasma, over 100 times wider than Earth and millions of times hotter. It's constantly bombarding us with solar winds and radiation, and any attempt to own or control it would be laughably impossible. However, the concept raises valuable discussions about future space resources. As humanity eyes asteroid mining, lunar water extraction, and even solar energy harvesting in orbit, the question of who has the right to claim, sell, or profit from cosmic resources is becoming increasingly urgent. If someone could sell sunlight or charge for its use, what would the economic and ethical implications be for Earth's population? The mystery deepens when you consider future space colonies, interplanetary trade, and off-world settlements. We'll have the authority to distribute resources like sunlight on Mars or water on the moon. Could the concept of cosmic property rights ever become a reality? Or are we doomed to cosmic anarchy? So here's the real question. If no one can own the sun today, what stops someone from claiming it tomorrow? It all boils down to definitions. To own something, you need exclusive rights of use and possession. The sun doesn't fit that definition. It's not just because it's impossible to physically possess the sun, but also because its very nature contradicts the idea of ownership. Celestial bodies like the sun are dynamic, evolving over time and defying human categorization. Calling the sun an object, a thing, or a commodity implies a static, so a lifeless entity that can be bought and sold, like a kitchen table or a plot of land. This perspective ignores the sun's role as a life-giving star whose energy nurtures our planet and sustains life as we know it. Can we really reduce the sun's invaluable, life-sustaining role to a mere property, right? And what about the people who don't have access to sunlight? Does owning the sun mean you control who gets its life-giving rays? The idea seems preposterous, and yet it touches upon a critical aspect of our relationship with the cosmos. We are not merely spectators to the grand drama of the universe. We are active participants, deeply connected to the celestial bodies around us. The sun isn't just a distant energy source. It's a partner in the intricate dance of life on Earth. It's a partner we rely on, respect, and must learn to understand better. While the notion of owning the sun might seem appealing in a world where everything can be commodified, it's ultimately a path to ecological and societal disaster. Instead of chasing such a destructive goal, we should focus on our true needs and aspirations. We need to find ways to harness the sun's energy more efficiently, develop sustainable practices, and explore space, not for conquest, but for understanding and cooperation. The sun has given us life and spurred our curiosity about the cosmos. In return, we should strive to be responsible stewards of the Earth and to approach the universe with humility and wonder. In conclusion, no one owns the sun, not now and not in the foreseeable future. The idea is not just scientifically implausible, but ethically and ecologically disastrous. Instead of chasing such a destructive goal, we should focus on our true needs and aspirations. Embracing the sun as the life-giving partner that sustains us and inspires our cosmic journey. The sun belongs to everyone and no one, a shared treasure that illuminates our path towards a sustainable and enlightened future. Now, here's a thought experiment for you. If you were stranded on a desert island and a helicopter offered you the deal of a lifetime, ownership of the sun in exchange for your vote in an upcoming election, would you accept the deal? Why or why not? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the cosmos. Till next time, keep looking up.